So we worked together with Professor Leo Joosten in our university for approximately 10 years to the concept of trained immunity. TTxD is a new biotechnology company based both in the US and Europe, a collaboration between colleagues and institutes in both continents who tries to use trained immunity as a concept to build new therapies, to build new nanobiologics that can be used as therapeutic agents to improve the responses against cancer and infections on the one hand, but also to diminish the overwhelming inappropriate activation of innate immune responses in autoimmune and inflammatory diseases.
We identified specific molecular structures that can very effectively induce trained immunity in a petri dish. But in the human body and in the body of a preclinical model, obviously that's not a petri dish. So the nanobiologics serve as the delivery system to very efficiently engage progenitor cells in the bone marrow. We call them nanobiologics because these are composed of biologic materials and they form nanostructures, hence nanobiologics.
So Trained Therapeutix is focusing on a number of diseases in which there is an important dysregulation of innate immune responses. On the one hand, it focuses on cancer in which the innate immune responses are too low, trying to improve, to boost innate immune responses and trained immunity responses to get the host defense to eliminate the cancer. On the other hand, it also focuses on diseases in which there is too much inflammation, too much activation, such as rejection of transplantation and also the hyperinflammation that takes place in the lungs of the COVID-19 patients. In these diseases, TTxD will administer drugs which downregulate and inhibit the overwhelming immune responses and rebalance the host defense mechanisms.
And so we focus on the innate immune response so that we can, let's say, rebalance the entire immune system, that both sides of the immune system, so the adaptive part, the lymphocytes, and the myeloid cells work collectively against the cancer. So now we're at the stage of manufacturing, and we anticipate that we can be in human studies in 2 to 4 years from now.